Welcome to the third practical business case with Power Query. In this lesson, we will learn a complex transformation and we will learn how to get the previous row value. In Power Query, it's not so easy as in Excel to access the previous row. In Excel, you just put the formula equal and you get the cell. But in Power Query, we have to apply some interesting technique that you will learn right now. So we will start from this table, which is very ugly formatted, to this table where we put also the category. If you see here, we have the category of the lines with the total. Okay, shoes, total this, clothes, total this, accessories, total this. So we want to put a column with the category name, but we cannot link to something that we have here. We don't have something to reference to put a condition to say if this is something, then is this, because you have numbers like in the lines of the categories. If we would have, for example, three lines in the same row with the categories, we could say if we have three lines that get this. Now, if we don't have this, we have to get clever and start using this technique. Let's get started. So we select the table data from table range. So we have here the table. We see that Power Query already promoted the headers and changed the types. Now, what we do, we go to add column and add an index column from 1. Then we add an index column from 0. The whole idea with these indexes is that we want to put these three lines in the same line with the clauses, and then we can apply the conditional formatting. So with the help of these indexes, we will get this. We go to Home, Merge Queries, and we will merge the query with itself. So first we select the index starting from 0, and we put here the same table and select the index starting from 1, and we press OK. And now we have the added index in the form of tables. And now we will expand, but we'll expand only the sales column. And now you see that we brought the three lines in the same line with the category. Now what we can do is to sort the index, the first index ascending. And now you see that we have our category in the same row with the three lines. So the whole idea with these two indexes is to get the previous row. Practically, we started from this and we put it with one row below. Now we add a conditional column where we say like this: if this, which is now called added index 1.sales, equals the three lines, then we want to get the column product, the value from the column product. And here we cannot put the column to write it, but we have to go here, and instead of enter a value, we put select a column, and now we can select the column product. And else, if we don't have this condition field, null. And now you see that we brought the clauses in this column. Now we want to fill all the rows that contain the same category. For example, clothes here and here. shoes, all these are shoes. What we do, we have here a transformation, click right, fill up, and we have this field. And now we start to clean the table. We say that if in this column we have 3 lines, we remove it. So we just go here and deselect it. And now we can remove these 3 columns. We don't need them. And also remove the null from the product column. And finally, we have our table. We can go and load it here in the existing worksheet. And we have our final result. In conclusion, Power Query can be of tremendous help when you have this kind of ugly table and you can format and clean it in a dynamic way. And when the new table is updated, you just refresh it and you have all the data in a nice format. See you in the next lecture.